Welcome to Solved Gadgets. Are you ready for the selection of cool gadgets? Let's move on to the video as we have some cool equipment that will make your job easier. Are there any significant floor areas, such as in an industrial facility, that need to be sanded? This enormous machine can accomplish it swiftly while requiring little hard work. This machine employs 3 large planetary sanders. By altering the rotation speed and direction for each one separately, the operator may control them all. The automated dust collecting system that's already there is a significant benefit. At completion of their task, the filters leave the place immaculate. The machine boasts excellent agility because it was made to function indoors. This is made easier by the 3-wheel configuration. 2 driving wheels are located up front and 1 caster wheel is located at the back of the machine. The following versatile construction machine technology, which was introduced in 2022, offers the user a wide spectrum of possibilities. Transporting different loads is indeed the machine's fundamental purpose. This is efficiently accomplished with the aid of the telescoping boom, which enables you to expand the bucket by an extra 26 inches. 109 inches is the highest lifting altitude possible, while 13 pounds is the maximum lifting weight. Several attachments that can be changed out in a matter of minutes can also be added to it. Moreover, because to its small size, the vehicle offers outstanding range of movement. Are you concerned regarding tangled cables and wires? However, this gadget will render hazardous wires innocuous in a matter of seconds. Nevertheless, that's not all. However, there's more than that. In addition to process of applying signal and caution tape, this floor tape dispenser is utilized to seal the seams of dance and theater floors. It works well for cable taping because of the funnel-shaped guides, which let you deal with tangled or dispersed cables. Last but not least, the gadget enables you to complete all of these chores while standing comfortably, which will save you time and strain on your back. Any individual maneuvering a helicopter around a building was deemed impossible several decades back. Nonetheless, everything was altered with the arrival of this omnidirectional special-purpose remote-controlled vehicle. It has been created in order to offer a new degree of command and flexibility that was previously impossible while pulling or dragging a helicopter on a ground. The special-purpose vehicle goes beneath the helicopter and raises it a few inches, after which it may be operated remotely. Moreover, the vehicle is capable of traveling in any orientation due to its distinctive wheels. Along with rotating 360 degrees around its axis, it can move forward, sideways, and at an angle. The design of this rotary cutter makes it capable of cutting grass with ease in difficult or even hostile settings. It has a cutter bar that produces impressively well at 275 horsepower. It can process more material as well as operate more quickly as a result of the improved ground clearance relative to its predecessors. The weight has been purposefully decreased to improve corrosion resistance and minimize the amount of material that collects beneath the cutter. Despite the cutter's narrower transport width, which is only 89 inches, its cutting breadth could well reach 180 inches. The main item on our list would be useful and essential in many auto repair facilities. This fiberline hand puller is compelling and therefore very efficient. The 2 handles are connected by the 78 inches line, which keeps the operator secure and at ease. As you will discover, there are a huge variety of uses for this tool. Users might replace automobile emblems, extract pieces from difficult-to-reach areas, and even cut a windscreen. It can sometimes be difficult to replace light bulbs in high-ceilinged areas, but not when you have this equipment at your disposal. In order to operate with bulbs of any size and form, first take note of the interchangeable nozzles. They employ a vacuum suction to adhere to the glass surface and assist in turning the bulb in the base. The telescopic handle, which can also extend up to 15 feet, is the second crucial component. Users are not required to be concerned about safety because all of the pieces are made of non-conductive material. The Cleaning of grout residue from the surface is the last stage in the creation of practically any floor. The next piece of gadget is a great choice for this job from our collection. A soft sponge strip is used by the machine to softly wipe down the surface. Revolving about particular rollers in a pail of water, it is cleansed and then it is pressed dry. In addition to using half as much water as conventional techniques, this innovative technology leaves the floor immaculately clean. Moreover, you won't have to be concerned about the grout cement joints being washed away. The gadget is equally appropriate for flooring composed of paving stones, natural stone, ceramic tiles, marble, as well as other components. With the assistance and support of this remote-controlled lawnmower, gardening could also become enjoyable and attractive. It allows it to be possible to eliminate grass even in broad areas with no human exertion at all. Two of its standout qualities are its wide working surface and superb mobility. The initial method boosts productivity and efficiency so you can cut grass more quickly and complete projects early. The second approach enables the lawnmower to move and operate on any surface, including sloping or steep terrain. While using the more powerful brush mulching deck, the machine automatically sends tall vegetation there. A universal platform for a winch or other specialty attachments is also present on the front of the lawnmower. The following is a technological marvel that significantly quickens the installation of huge slabs or paving stones. Dual assignments are carried out by this roller. The slabs are initially rammed and pressed into the foundation. Furthermore, it deeply scratches the sand into the tile joints to stop future displacement and cracking. Almost any type of dirt may be removed using this high-pressure water system, and pavement and concrete marks can even be removed. In order to sand concrete floors and prepare the surface, the machine doesn't give dirt an opportunity. Moreover, after just one run, you are able to observe the results. Manual modifications are possible to the degree of cleaning and removal, broadening the range of the tasks that can be carried out. As an illustration, the operator can polish paving stones without removing the material from the block's joint spaces. Any painting assignment is possible to finish 4 times more quickly than normal. All you require is this equipment. It incorporates a versatile and comfy paint sprayer with a roller that is responsible for the work's high speed and quality. Therefore, in a single pass, the system simultaneously applies paint in 2 different ways. The technology decreases the quantity of waste while saving time and money by doing away with awkward buckets and trays.